what Sam can do is create custom content based on these objectives. So if you have a template in there, it is going to read the template, it's going to look at the objective, and it's going to create something custom. Now, if you have personal notes for that specific contact, it's going to use those personal notes to create it even more tailored to that person receiving it. If you don't have a template and you just have an objective, Sam's going to create that content for you using the objective. So we've got a couple options. Now, remember when I talked about how I am a millennial and I don't want you to call me? Not trying to be rude, it's just kind of a fact of the matter. This is going to be where this comes into play. It's called message type. Now, you can select lots of different message types. Preferred would be SMS for my specific contact. Or if I don't have a preferred, it can be defaulted to email. Now, if you always want this message to be an email, you could set it to just email. It's pretty standard, pretty stock. But this preferred allows Sam to lean into those custom experiences for that specific person. So because my example, my preferred method is an SMS message, Sam is going to take that template, which maybe was an email template specifically for this birthday, and it's going to convert it into a text message. And it's going to send it out on your behalf. Now, I'm going to show you in a second the step before that, but because we have it selected, it's automatic and it'll go, boom.